Alright, so this is going to be the very first Arduino tutorial that I do. I'm going to give it my best shot, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you learned something. So we're going to open up a sketch right here, and put that in view. And I'm going to explain this to you guys. This right here is, you're declaring what goes where. Or when you get a little bit farther, you're going to put variables and things in here. But for right now, we're just going to go over this. This right here is the LED on 13. That's going to be the LED that is on your Arduino board, hopefully, unless you made one and didn't make it quite up to what theirs are. So that's going to tell the program where the LED is at. This is something that's only going to run once when it's powered up or reset. Every time you hit the reset button, what's between these curly braces will run once. So right here it's just going to tell the Arduino that we're going to use LED as an output and not an input. And that's going to affect when you try to turn it on, whether it's going to use a pull-up resistor or actually supply it with 5 volts, not just a resistor. The next thing it's going to go to is going to be the void loop. That's going to run over and over and over. It's going to go from this curly brace to that curly brace. As soon as it finishes, it will go right back to the top and restart over and over and over again. It will not stop unless you have functions to tell it to stop, but that's more advanced, so we won't go over that. This, just telling it to turn it on, turn the LED, which we said is pin 13, and it's an output, send it to set it as high, which is a logic 1 or 5 volts, and that's going to light up the LED, and then it's going to stay with the LED on for 500 milliseconds, half a second. So it's just going to wait right here at this delay for 500 milliseconds, half a second, and then it's going to go down one line of code to the next one. Then it's going to turn the LED off. It's going to digitally write a logic 0 and take the LED pin 13 to ground, or if you have the ground of the LED hooked up, you could turn it on that way too. It's just reverse, but that's still more advanced, so we won't go over that. It's just going to pull the 5 volts down to ground. The LED is not going to have any power, it's going to turn off. Then it's going to wait another 500 milliseconds before it'll go to the end and then start over. So I'm going to upload this really quick onto here. Let me plug in the board really fast. Using a Arduino Uno Rev 3. Okay. Probably going to want me to serial port COM3. Always choose your serial port. Pick your board. We don't have the Mega. We're using the Uno. Click that. And then we'll just upload. Let it do its thing. And as you can see, the LED is blinking and everything works. Now a few things you can change. Say you want the LED to go faster. We'll cut this in half again and we'll upload that. Maybe you want the LED to run faster. Maybe you still want the LED to run faster. One button. Okay, now here's a weird thing that happens. When the LED doesn't stay on long enough for, like, I'm assuming for you to notice its full brightness, it's not going to look like it's flashing. It's going to look like it's dimmed, which is what PWM is all about. So as you can see, you can't tell what it's doing. It's flashing extremely fast, but there's no way you could ever see that flashing unless you're a superhero, which I doubt you are. Alright, so this is my first try at an Arduino tutorial. Really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to put a link in the description about the new Arduino Dwi that will be released October 22nd. That should be a really interesting board. If you guys like this or have any questions, just let me know. I'll make more tutorials as soon as I find the time. Alright, thanks for watching.